Question number 6. Find the length of side of square whose area is 441 meter square. Now you know square, this is square, and area. If I take side equal to x, then area is x into x, side into side. So let side of square equals to x, therefore area is equal to side into side. This is the formula to find out the area, x into x. And also they have given area equal to 441 meter square. So area is x square. Also area is equal to 441 meter square they have given. So we can say x square is equal to 441 meter square. जैसे यहाँ पे कुछ मल्टीप्लाई में हो तो डिवाइड हो तो मल्टीप्लाई, प्लस बिकम्स माइनस एंड माइनस बिकम प्लस ऑन ट्रांसपोजिंग. तो स्क्वायर जो है वो क्या बन जाता है, स्क्वायर रूट 441. और 441 किसका स्क्वायर रूट, क्या स्क्वायर रूट क्या है, 21 मीटर स्क्वायर. इवन इफ यू हैव नॉट लर्न 25 तक, आई हैव टोल्ड यू टू लर्न, बट इवन इफ यू हैव नॉट, यू मे फाइंड दो हमने ग्रुपिंग की, 2 2 ज़ा 4, रिमाइंडर 0. नाउ 41, 2 का डबल 4, 41 1 ज़ा 41, माइनस किया दिस. तो स्क्वायर रूट ऑफ 441 इज 21 meter square. Now question number 7. In right triangle ABC, angle B is 90 degree. So first of all draw a triangle. B we want 90 degree. So I place B here, A and C. Now they have given the measurements. AB is 6 and BC is 8. We have to find AC. Now in right angle triangle, what is this? The side opposite to right angle is called hypotenuse. Remember your 7th class Pythagoras theorem. So we will write AC square is equal to BC square. ये दो legs जो गिनी जाती हैं right angle triangle में, AB and BC are legs. We call it base, height, and this is hypotenuse. And hypotenuse is the longest side जो right angle के बिल्कुल सामने opposite होती है, that is called hypotenuse. And according to Pythagoras theorem, its square is equal to sum of square of other two sides. So BC is 8 square and AB is 6 square. 8 8s are 64, 6 6 are 36. On adding we will get 100. AC square is equal to 100. We have to find AC. Square वहां जाके क्या हो जाएगा, on right hand side it will become square root, and you know 100 is square root of 10. 10 into 10. So 10, the measurement is given in centimeter, so 10 centimeter. AC is equal to 10 centimeter. Now in B part, again I have taken B right angle, and this is AC is hypotenuse, the longest side of right angle triangle. BC is given 5 this time, and AC hypotenuse is given 13, and we have to find AB. This side, one of the height we have to find, perpendicular side. Now by Pythagoras theorem, property you may say, AC square is equal to BC square plus AB square. Put the values. AC is 13, so 13 square. BC is given 5 square. AB is not given, AB square. 13 13s are 169, 5 5s are 25, and AB square. When we will shift 25 to left hand side, 169 minus 25 is equal to AB square. 169 minus 25, 144 is equal to AB square. But we have to find AB. So AB, this square will become square root. And I think you very well know that AB 144 किसका है? 12 का. 12 12 are 144. So AB is equal to 12 centimeter. Question number 8. A gardener has 1000 plants. He wants to plant these in such a way that number of rows and number of columns remain same. Find minimum number of plants he need more for this. What he wants to do? He wants to plant in such a way that number of rows and columns are same. Means these are columns. This 1 2 3. तो रोज भी 3 होनी चाहिए. 1 2 3. तो इन दिस वे ही वॉन्ट्स टू प्लांट 1000 plants he has, but 1000 is not a perfect square. Why? Because it is clearly seen odd number of zeros are at the last, so 1000 is not a perfect square. So he wants some more. Find the minimum number of plants he need more. More means what should be added to make 1000 perfect square. Do you get it? And this was our question number 5th. So what we will do? Find square root of 1000 pairing 0 0 और 0 1. Pairs हो गए 2. 3 3s are 9. On subtracting you will get 1 and double 0 will come down. 3 का डबल 3 2s are 6. 62 2s are बड़ा हो जाएगा. 61 1s are 61. You will get 39. Add के केस में हमने क्या किया था? This shows 39 is remainder. Therefore इससे क्या पता चला? That 31 square is less than 1000. Okay, so next number, just question number 5th we have done. Next number 31 के बाद क्या आता है? Is 32. So square of 32 is 1024. Therefore 1024 minus 1000 is equal to, क्योंकि 1000 के बाद हमने 1024 चाहिए, तो 1000 तो पहले ही है उसके पास प्लांट्स, हमने माइनस किया तो 24. Therefore he gardener needs 24 more plants so that rows is equal to columns. So that number of rows is equal to columns. Perfect square होगा अगर रोज x x किया है ना हमने, लाइन अगर लेंथ सेम हो, अभी स्क्वायर में किया था, नंबर ऑफ रोज और कॉलम्स इक्वल चाहिए, तो ही विल बी इन अ नीड ऑफ 24 मोर प्लांट्स. There are 500 children in a school for a PT drill. They have to stand in such a manner that the number of rows is equal to number of columns. How many children would be left out in this arrangement? Here we have to discard the number of, minus, subtract the number of extra students. We want that the student number of rows and columns should be equal. It forms a square, means sides and the length of the sides, rows and columns should be equal. But we want how many students are extra. So question number 4th, like question number 4th, the remainder is extra part and we will subtract. So you will write for equal number of rows and columns, we want a perfect square. So find 500, make pairs, 2 2s are 4. By division method I am finding 1 double 0, 2 ka double 4, 44. Now 42 2s are 84. On subtracting you get 16. Is it clear? So 16 students are extra. Therefore we have to write how many children will be left in this arrangement. Therefore 16 children will be left in the arrangement. And if you subtract 500 minus 16 is equal to 484 students or children, you may write children will stand in such a manner that number of rows will be equal to number of columns. Is it clear? For arrangement we want perfect square number. 500 is not a perfect square because remainder 16 is remainder, so 16 children will be struck out from the arrangement and left over 484 is a perfect number, perfect square. These number of 484 children can easily stand such that rows is equal to columns. Thank you.